I was always told that we are born, we go to school where we should get good grades so we can get into a good college where we will meet our spouse, so then we can then get a good job and do that job until we're 65, at which point we'll be able to do the things we've been wanting to do our whole life that take more than 2 weeks vacation. Except when I saw my dad pass away at age 58, missing out on that American dream, I realized that would not be the case for him, and might not be the case for everyone. I mean, I grew up in Nebraska, and my escape from Nebraska as a little closeted kid was watching the Travel Channel, and I never saw anyone like me on the Travel Channel. I have lots of fears and doubts about if I can pull this off. This is my first bike across adventure and my first bike packing trip ever. Well, let's start with most important. I have my helmet.
It's gonna be nice being with you, because a lot of times I just do these things completely by myself. Have you ever been fit on a bike before?
No.
You should.
I have not done this for as many years as Cole, my riding buddy who's coming along. I am really a newbie and a novice to a lot of the cycling world and to backpacking in general. So for me, this is learning to swim by jumping in the water. And in this case, jumping in the water is a 363-mile bike across Oregon. Welcome to Tillamook County. One of the biggest parts of my work with inclusion and helping people feel like they're welcome in outdoor spaces is just showing people that no matter how you experience nature, it's valid. With that in mind, I came up with this new program called the Outside Safe Space. And the goal of the symbol was to be something that allies can wear in outdoor spaces to show that they are a welcoming person. Because that's just something we do as gay people always. We're constantly calculating, like, is this somebody I can be my full self around, or do I need to guard myself a little bit for my safety? Everywhere we go, we all have a role to play in helping create an outdoor space and a world that is more welcoming. I think that doing this journey helped prove a lot to myself.
We have bonded. I know my bike's sort of ins and outs, and it's much more a piece of me than it was at the beginning. Today is day 11 of 14 days total. If all goes to plan, we will roll into California on day 13.
We met a lot of Schwinn fans. Tons of people who were like, what? That's a Schwinn? Like, I had a Schwinn, my dad had a Schwinn. When I do these adventures, and whether it's living in a van for 3 years and visiting the national parks, or running across Minnesota, or running across Mississippi, or now doing this new adventure on a bike that I've never done before, I'm starting to believe that the most powerful way to get a message across is not to tell people, but to show people.